thing on. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Lordelise and I make new videos every single week on a bunch of different topics. Now, if you're new here, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any videos that I post. Now, today I am super excited for this video because it's one I've been dying to do. I went to Goodwill yesterday and I found a bunch of stuff and I'm so excited to share it with you guys. Now, I love to thrift. I haven't been thrifting out here in Florida that often, but this was my first successful thrifting trip since I've moved here. And I honestly went into the store with no expectations. All I wanted were a really good pair of jeans for another video that I'm trying to do. Now, I went to one that is here in Orlando. It was a huge warehouse. There's some Goodwills that are more like a department store and they're neat, and then some that are just all over the place, and this one was one of those. It was all over the place. Now, I got really lucky and I got some really good finds, all for under 50 bucks. It is all like a big jumbled treasure hunt. Now, thrifting is something that I've done often and it's something I really enjoy doing. So if it's something that you would be interested in, then don't get discouraged. Go and try it out. It can be really overwhelming at first because there's so many different things. You kind of just have to have patience and look through everything because sometimes there's hidden gems that you won't even notice were there. I thought it would be really fun to do a thrift with me / thrift haul video, and yesterday I went thrifting and I vlogged the experience. I didn't do too much. I was kind of awkward with the camera, but I got some clips which I can then insert right here. So I have a bunch of different stuff right in front of me and I'm just kind of going to go and wing it, and I'll just pull out some things that I found. Now, I got this black button-up shirt. I got it to be oversized because that was the intentions of it. It is from the brand Adolfo and it was $3.99. I mainly wanted a black button-up that was oversized so that I could DIY it because I'm going to do something pretty cool with this one as well. But it was $4, so excited. Now, I really lucked out in the jean department and I got 3 different pairs of denim just because I loved it so much. So I got these pretty cool mom jeans, and these are from the Gap, and it was $6.99, and I don't really know the size. It was in the large section, but I'm pretty large down there sometimes, so this one is a size 28, and it still was kind of tight. I loved the fit of them though, just because the bottom I liked better when it was rolled up. It's kind of like too much of a boot cut for my liking, but this is a pair that I really wanted to distress and I wanted to add my own flair to it. So I was really excited about finding a pair. And what's funny is that I found this at the last moment. Like, I was getting ready to leave and I was like, let me check one more time. Because that's how thrifting is. You find stuff, then you put it back, and then you're like, let me check one more time, and you find something else. Now, my next pair of jeans, these are a regular skinny jean, but they were a high rise, and I really liked them just because of the fit of them. They're not super stretchy, but they're stretchy, and I loved the wash of them. It was like that medium blue, and they're super skinny all throughout. I haven't decided if I'm gonna distress these yet or if I'm gonna leave them as they are, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna end up distressing them. And that was that, and these are the pockets, and they fit so good. it was just a dream. I was like, oh my God, had to have these. Another pair of jeans, and these are from the brand LEI. At first I thought it was Levi's, but it's not. It's called Life Energy Intelligence, and I loved the color of these jeans. They look so vintage and they look so cool, and they're a flare jean, which at first I really wished these were the color of the mom jeans that I found before, but I really like these flare jeans. I think they'd be they're high-waisted and they fit so good on the butt, through my legs, and that's really where I find a hard time with jeans, because my thighs never fit into anything. But they're high-waisted and I love them, and I think they'll be really cute paired with like a crop top or something in the summer, and I just love them. I was thinking of distressing these too, because I got jeans mainly for the purpose of distressing them, but I had gotten these, and I feel like these are like a classic because of the bell-bottom flare, that I kind of might just keep them plain, and I think they look cuter that way. So I found this belt. It was $1.99, and oh, and the jeans, they were all $6.99. So these were this was $1.99, and I just loved it so much because of the details on it. It's a navy color, and it has gold stitching all up and down the side, and then it has a gold buckle, but it also has a gold little tail right here, and I just thought it was so cute. I envisioned it with a pair of jeans and a white tee just tucked in, and then it just gives your outfit instant flair. You know, I love belts. The inside is kind of messed up, and you're gonna find things like that in the thrift store. This one was kind of messed up, but I was like, who cares? It's the inside, no one ever sees it. But I thought this was so cute, and I was like, have to have it. I wasn't even planning on getting shoes at all, but when I found them, I was like, oh my God, when you find a good deal, I have a problem. I just can't say no. Things that I found were these super cool slip-ons. They were in such good condition, and I actually wore them today because I just wanted to wear them. But these were, I believe, $8.99, and I love them even more because of the material that it was. It's black, and it has some, I don't really know what it's called, but it has that, like, is it called sheepskin? Not sheepskin. It's like cow skin, but it's not real, obviously. But these are from Calvin Klein, and they looked like they were barely worn. I love them so much. These were a little bit big, but they were, since they're slip-on, I figured I could get away with them. They're a 7.5, but I'm a 7. And I just thought they would be so cool for a casual outfit. Next on my list were these pairs of shoes, and I kid you not, guys, these literally look brand new. They look like no one ever even worn them, and these are from Merona. I don't know what brand that is. I want to say Target. I could be wrong. I don't know. But I thought they would be the perfect sandal to wear during the summer, and these again were a 7.5. I'm a 7, but I guess because of the way the shoe fits, it really looks like it fits me. Maybe they run small, I don't know, but I just love the nude color, and I thought they would be really cute paired with a dress, jeans, whatever I want. A lot of stuff, guys. Next, I got these shoes, which I wasn't even gonna buy, but literally, I'm not kidding, these are brand new. No one even wore them. Look at that. And I got these for $9.99, and these are from Aldo, and I just love them so much, and I thought they would be really cool paired for a night out, or just for some pictures with some jeans, a cute blouse. And this is the same material as the black slip-ons that I found. I don't know if you guys can see that, but I just thought they were the cutest things. I was like, oh my gosh, what did I have to do? I had to have them. I also found, which is my favorite piece, guys, I don't think you understand, I was dying over this coat when I found it. It is a tweed coat, and I thought it was the cutest thing. You could see these in stores easily for like 90 bucks, and I just love the color. It's a little dirty in some spots, but nothing that I can't fix. It's a long line jacket. It's in a size 6. It's a little bit big, but I like it that way. And I just envision it with a cute pair of ripped jeans and a t-shirt for a laid-back outfit, and it instantly adds some flair. Now, when I tell you the price of this jacket, it was $5.99, and I was dying over that price alone. When I got home, I didn't even realize it was on sale, and I got this jacket for $3.
Bruh.
$3, and I love it so much. I think it's so cute. I know we're going into spring, but for $3, guys, you can't beat it. The real last thing I got was the most random thing. I was looking for home decor, and I didn't really see anything that I really liked. I was looking for some cute home decor pieces that I would really like, and I ended up coming across this gold frame.
Oh,